Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to change CSS of an element in Moodle LMS. So let's get started. So what I want to do is I want to change the background color of this nav bar. So simple, it's just go to right click, inspect element, click on this, and here first we'll try to find this. So here it is a div of type container class. It has a class container dash fluid, right? So what you can do is to change this color is enable edit mode, then go to site administration, go to appearance, go to themes, and currently we are using the boost theme. There is this classic theme as well. As you can see, it is not our current theme, so boost is our current theme. So you just have to click on this settings icon, just click on advanced settings, and here you can just type something like this dot container fluid, and I want to change the background color, right? So that's what I'm doing, and I'll just type it over here as well. I'm not sure which one is used. Let's just try with this one first. I'm not sure what is the difference between raw initial SCSS and raw SCSS. I'm just typing it over here. Let's see if it works. I'll click on save changes. Let's go to home, and here you can see it has changed. So yeah, that's how you can change the CSS of I think so. Yeah, here you can see you'll have to be careful because this class also has this container fluid. So you'll have to maybe like do some kind of filtering on your CSS as well, but I'll leave up to you because this tutorial is pretty simple. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.